Alright guys, here we are. Creeping our way down about a foot of snow here. And, well, we want to go fishing, so we are creeping our way down this super steep freaking ramp. And we're gonna attempt to get the boat in the water. And then get out. Stay with us. Stay tuned. That's how we do it. Dude, that's a stud. What's up, guys? We're back. Another DVS fishing adventure today. Same place as last week, but it looks a little different. Got about a foot of snow on the ramp even. The ramp was quite the task. I probably should have videoed the whole thing, but I didn't. It was much more scary and didn't want to worry about filming, so definitely almost slid in the water a couple times, but going down the ramp and using the old in drive and first gear trick got her done. So anyways, guys, we're gonna get out here, getting the boat warmed up right this second. We're gonna get up to the first spot and just see if we can hammer on a couple of them. So stay tuned. Should be fun. Yep, it's snowing, guys. How about it? Well, guys, GoPro keeps going dead because it's so cold out. I have a 100% battery, but it records for like 14, 15 seconds and then just shuts off. I don't know. Put a new battery in it. We'll see if it'll last for a while. Hopefully. Got the other backup one right here, so if we hook into one, I'll press that guy and make sure we get the footage today. Making sure. All right.
Better come take control.
Right there. Fish on. Yeah, it's a good one. I need the net. Damn GoPro would stay working. God, stupid thing. Look at that beefcake. The old Great Lakes finesse jig. Droopy craw. And gets it done.
Oh, fuck. With the net.
Don't reel them to your reel tip. Jesus, what is this, your first day? Not a kid. Fucking doubled up. Let's go, 4-pounder back. Later, baby girl.
That's how we do
Dude, that's a stud. Short that fish is, that's a stud, bro.
That's a fucking thing.
Yeah, buddy. Here. That's a tank, my bad. That might be a 6 all day. Might. Definitely a 5, for sure. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, right in the roof of the mouth. The old mooch minnow getting it done today. Okay, let me know it's zeroed out. Okay. Five. 513. 513, boys.
How do you lock?
It's already locked, so just let's see. We're gonna go up to spot 2, and then you just press the middle button. Boom, it's in spot 2. Yeah, buddy.
Here we go.
Still recording. Later, girl. She went straight down. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. That's
what we
sick.
came for.
Here, get another one. Yeah. Like I get them to chase like this. See. Then they never fucking bite it. I got that one to bite it though. Net. Turning out to be right. Turning out to be alright. I'm gonna say probably 2.5 with you. If I can get my glove in there. Clear it. 3, 2. So I said they always fucking a little bigger in there. We're at 12 pounds so far with our top 3. Eyes are popping out of his head. Let's get him back. Woo! Got us all wet. Heck yeah, baby! Let me gimbal up a little bit here. Alright, well that's the first one on the strolling bait that they finally actually wanted to bite. Alright, quite the line twist. That shit, boy. What's bigger if I put it in there? Lay off the honey there.
Is the GoPro recording?
It's still another tool. Heck yeah. It's all about right there. 4-3. That's in our fourth spot, right? Yeah, that's our fourth fish. So we got one more thing out of that. We go 4-3, boys. Oh, he's gonna float, so we're gonna have to fit here. So. Solid day, my guy.
Yes, sir.
That was beautiful.